Fridays for Future, and you see here in Lisbon the demonstrations already started. So we're going to record the sound of it. Later, when I do more like distance recording, then I'm using the Wildtronic Sound. And you can actually see how big this microphone is, but the sound quality is incredible. So as you can actually see and hear, the people here, they make some noise, very loud. So it's also very important for me not to only record very close-ups, also distant sounds like the drums, the screaming, the shouting, that you have this in the distance between all these little tiny alleyways that creates another interesting layer of sound that people in post-production love using. So if you record this kind of sounds, very important that you also step back 50 meter, 100 meter, maybe 200 meters to get this sound as well. This is one of the spots that I was mentioned. You know, you have like 50 meters away, you have these small, beautiful alleys, and then it creates a different sound than being just so close. And also what is cool, if I can find another place that is more above the crowd, then you get another perspective, another amazing soundscape. So this is something we're going to look for it. If you can find it, it's great. If not, still great what we have so far. Bom dia. That's right. She's totally right about that.
Het stuk van